Hi everyone, so today I have got the W7 Beauty Blast Advent Calendar to unbox for you guys. This is it here, this is what it looks like here. I'm dead excited to unbox this with you. This Advent Calendar cost me £19.95 on the W7 website, but it is shown up on Amazon. Yeah, it's not available to buy, but it's available to add in your wish list. I'll link it down below for both of them because I know a lot of people prefer to purchase from Amazon. I did have to pay postage because unfortunately I didn't get free postage with the W7. So overall it worked out about £24 for this Advent Calendar with the postage. But the Advent Calendar itself did cost £19.95. We're going to unbox it in anyways. This is it here. It is, I think, a 24-day Advent Calendar. So it's not 25. And we're going to unbox it and we're going to see if it's worth £19.95. So it's working out about 83 pence a day as you unbox it, open it up. It's like a box design one, so that's good because I do think these are a lot easier. So we've got to remember that it's 83 pence a day. Number 1, which is here, wrapped in tissue. We have got a Cheeky Dip liquid blusher in the shade Lustful. This looks very similar to the one we got in previous years as well. Day number 2 up here. We have got a True Liner lip liner. Does it say a shade? Can't see a shade on it. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Day number 3, which is here. In tissue again, and we have got a Honolulu Shimmer Glow bronzing powder, and this is in Sun Rays, and this is it. Yeah, day number 4, which is just right. Yeah, right, I feel like it's going like that. Yeah, it is. We have got the Very Clean Makeup Remover and Cleansing Balm, so it's a little mini cleansing balm. That's quite exciting. I feel like we might have got this in last year's, but am I mixing it up with a lip balm? Oh, it smells lovely. I'm excited about that. I feel like that's good for travelling. Very happy with that. That's day number 4. Day number 5, which is this one here. We have got what we definitely got this in previous years. It's like a cotton round, reusable cotton round. That's a good little day. Not going to complain about that. We've got, remember, 80 pence a day, and they are quite good quality because we did get that in last year's and I do use that. So that was day number 5. We want day number 6, which is the next one along. Right, this is a little bit small even for 80 pence, but it is the Lippy Chick. And does it have a shade? This is in Shout Out. This is just a little mini lipstick. Oh, it's very cute, isn't it? So cute. That was day number 6. Day number 7 is here. We have got a little W7 beauty sponge. That's so soft. That is so soft. That's 7. We want day number 8, which is here. We have got the Thick Drip Lip Gloss. Now this we got in last year's. Very pretty shade that is. Very pretty. Just a nice mini size. I quite like the size. I'm not going to complain about the size. We want day number 9, which is here. We have got, let's see. We have got the H2O water-based loose powder. This looks nice. I like the look of this. This is it, yeah. I like the look of this. I love a small little size of a loose powder like this. It doesn't say if it's in a shade, so I'm assuming it's translucent. It says it's a dry powder formula. Oh, I'm excited about that one. That was day number 9. We're day number 10, which is here. We have got the Sweet Glow drops. This is blusher drops. Let's have a look at this. I love stuff like this. Do look a little bit shimmery. This is it here. this is what it looks like. Yeah. So next is day number 11, which is here. We have got the clear lip gloss. We have gotten this in the last couple of years too. It's quite a nice one actually, nice little mini size too. I do quite like a little mini size, I'm not gonna lie. We went day number 12, which is here. I'm guessing a lip liner or something because of the size of it and the shape. So we have got the black coal eyeliner. This is it, yeah. Just a nice standard eyeliner, 80p, you can't really go wrong. Which is here. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got something different. We have got the Citrus Coast Body Mist. I love getting stuff like this. I absolutely love getting stuff like this. Let's have a smell. Oh, it's nice. When looking at it, I was thinking, does it meant to smell like Sol de Janeiro maybe? And I don't know. I don't know. It kind of, I don't know. It smells nice either way. It smells nice either way. So that was 13. We went day number 14, which is here. Maybe a beauty sponge again, or a lip balm or something. Lip scrub. We have got a strawberry sweet lip scrub, and that is it there. Little tiny size, but to be honest, I don't really use lip scrub a lot, so that is just a nice size for me. We want 15, which is here. We have got the Lumina Multi-Glow Filter. I don't know what it is. This is it, yeah. Is this a new product that they do? Beauty Glow Filter. So is this a bit like, you know, like the Charlotte Tilbury filter thing that you put on your face? I think it looks more like a highlighter. This is it. That is it there. Oh, I don't know actually. Like, yeah, that reminds me like of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter sort of thing. Yeah, that's what that reminds me of. That's nice. I like that. I think that's really nice. That's 15. We want day number 16, which is here. We have got the W7 Yummy Eyes Baked Eyeshadow. This looks stunning. So yeah. How stunning does that look? That is so pretty. So pretty. Really nice product. That was 16. Day number 17, which is this one here. Got another spray bottle by the feels of it. It is the Soothing Setting Mist Spray. It's got hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and aloe vera in. Let's have a go of it then. I haven't got much makeup on today, but we'll have a go of it. I like the mister on it. I love little mini mists like this actually, just for travelling and stuff really. Whether it does anything is a question, but it feels nice on. That's 17. We want day number 18, which is here. And we have got another little mini lipstick. And this is what it looks like here. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. That is it there. That was 18. We want 19, which is here. We have got a little scrunchie. I actually really like this. I think it's nice. It's actually quite cute. I like it. 80p. I feel like maybe we should have had 2 in for 80p. But it's nice enough. And I know they do sell like a 3-pack in Tesco. So I'm going by Tesco's prices here. For like £3. So maybe that is right, I don't know. But yeah, I think 2 would have been nicer. Just personal preference. Next one, we want day number 20. We have got the W7 Sunrise Glow. I've never heard of this. This is their highlighter. Oh my god. That is a highlighter. Wow. Yeah, definitely. This must be from their like new line or something like that. I don't really wear highlighter, but wow. Okay, that's 20 and 22. We've got another single eyeshadow, the W7 Yummy Eyes. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Actually stunning. Like beautiful. Really nice. 23, nearly at the end. Makes me sad. We have got the W7 Gloss Away, just like a vanilla lip balm. And that is it there. 24, our last day. Hopefully it's something really exciting. We have got the Edgy Mascara. This is new. This is definitely new. I've not seen this before. The W7 Edgy Mascara. Oh, I'm quite excited about trying that. It's like a curved brush. Yeah, I'm quite excited about that. That's definitely new. I've not seen that. I quite like the 90s packaging and all, to be honest, the colourful packaging. And that is our W7 Advent Calendar. That is the 24-day one. I don't know whether they're doing 2 versions or 1 version or anything this year. Or sometimes they have done 2 versions and stuff like that. But that is the W7 Advent Calendar this year. £19.95. I'm very happy with this Advent Calendar for £19.95. I feel like it's really good. If you can get it on Amazon and it's the same price, I definitely would get it on Amazon, because if you're a Prime member you get the delivery for free and stuff like that, because it works out about £23 once I got the delivery, which I just like free delivery, to be honest. But yeah, I like this Advent Calendar. I definitely think it's worth it. I'm very happy with it, same as I was last year. I thought it was very good last year. I'm dead chuffed with it actually. I really like it. I'm glad I got it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will